Hi, this is Mike Bath, Field Applications Engineer with BK Technologies. So there's been some recent confusion regarding which Windows versions are compatible with BK radios, particularly our newest radio, the BKR 5000, and particularly what is going on with the Windows drivers. So this issue started coming about in Windows 10 sometime around October of 2020, it seems, during one of the larger Windows 10 semi-annual feature pack updates, and it affected the driver we use with our radios, which isn't unique to BK radios, but it's something called an RNDIS gadget driver. And a lot of those kind of devices, Windows stopped recognizing properly, and these devices will be seen um, as a serial port rather than the proper network interface. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm also going to be doing this on Windows 11 since some of the confusion has stemmed from there being a newer version of Windows that is coming on newer laptops some of our customers are using. However, this tutorial will work if you follow these steps in any Windows operating system from Windows 7 to Windows 8, 8.1 to Windows 10, and Windows 11. We can't recommend that you use Windows 7 at this point as it is out of support by Microsoft. However, if you happen to be using that, this method will still work for you. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open our web browser and head to bktechnologies.com. From there, we're going to want to go to support, technical support. You can choose to enter your email address here for updates from BK Technologies. Otherwise, you can just click close. And then click on firmware, software, and drivers. And select KNG or BKR 5000 radios. It is the same driver for either. We can select any of the KNG series radios here. As I said, it's all the same driver. Now on this page, it will open to firmware and patches by default. After you see this, you're going to want to select drivers, etc. And then you will see the driver for Windows XP 7, 8, and 10. It will also work for Windows 11. It is perfectly fine, and it is signed for Windows 11. And click download. Please make note of where this is downloaded to. Typically, it will be your downloads folder. However, if you're concerned, you can click the Show All button, or simply click this little up arrow in Chrome or right-click in other browsers and click Show in Folder. And I can see that it is in my downloads folder. That will become important here shortly. We can close all of this. Once you have the driver downloaded, you're going to need to extract the driver as it comes in a zip archive. Right-click on the driver's file and click Extract All. Personally, I just recommend leaving all this to default. We know where it's at. It's in our downloads folder, and click Extract. A new window pops up. We can go ahead and close those. At this time, please hold Windows key and press R. You will get the Run dialog. Please type in the following command. I will also put it in the video description so that you can copy and paste it into this dialog box. And then click OK. This will open your device manager. At this time, with your radio turned off, open ports, COM, and LPT. With the radio connected and off, turn it on. We will notice a new USB serial device. The COM number isn't important right now, but the new one is going to be your radio. Right-click on the device and click Properties. Move to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Now we'll want to select Browse My Computer for the drivers we just downloaded. Make sure we have the Include Subfolders box here selected and click Browse. As noted, my drivers are housed in the Downloads folder here. So I see Downloads, and then I see BK Radio drivers. Do not try to find the specific architecture for your system. This is as far as we need to go. We have the Include Subfolders box selected. So from here, you can simply click OK. Now we click Next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. USB Ethernet RNDIS gadget. Now we'll see under our network adapters, USB Ethernet RNDIS gadget number 4. If I select Properties, we can go to the driver, and we can see that this is a digitally signed Microsoft compatible driver all the way up through Windows 11. Now to test to make sure Res is seeing my radio, I'm going to open Res. And note that it is connected. And if I turn the radio off, back on. All right. That has been a quick and simple driver tutorial for all versions of Windows from Windows 7 onward from BK Technologies. If you found this video useful, please feel free to like the video. If you didn't find it useful, also feel free to dislike the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and we'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel so that when these videos come out, you can be updated. Also, click the little notifications bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.